Ida Legion's guide for not being a dumbass one. These videos contain valid EAS tones. Misuse of these will fine you or you may end up in jail. 2. I'm not the person responsible if you shit yourself at night. 3. Don't make mean comments, but you can criticize me if you want to. Making mean comments will be deleted. Also, if you have the time, can you please support me and my work, please? Thanks if you do, but let's start. Also, don't call me Ida. My name is Ida Legend, meaning I'm the legend. All right.
The President will be on the emergency alert system shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The President has been given authorization to speak on the emergency alert system. Listen carefully as this pertains to an ongoing situation.
This is an urgent message from the United States government. A couple days ago, we got a bomb threat from North Korea. It's a nuclear bomb. North Korea is expected to release a nuclear bomb in our country today. This is North Korea is expected to bring many of their people to the United States to attack. Remember, we are a nation under God. Or some kid doing this for attention, they will be arrested for terrorism threats. Go into your shelter right now to ensure your life is saved. Also, if you have to evacuate, bring gas masks. Those will save your life. I have nothing else to say at this time, but remember, we are a country under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Don't forget that. Thank you for cooperating with the emergency alert system. See you later.
Hey, brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. Hey, brother, know the water's sweet, but blood is thicker.
This is an urgent evacuation order for all the states that surround Iowa, including Iowa. These include Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, North Dakota, Kansas, and Missouri. This is a message to save your life. Save your life now. Protect yourself from this nuclear bomb. A nuclear bomb will be dropped from 10 to 1 in the morning, which is around 4 hours from now. If you do not get in a fallout shelter or evacuate the Des Moines area, you will get killed instantly. Seek a fallout shelter or evacuate. This is a mandatory evacuation order. Evacuate the area. Leave now.
Delivered to your door, wherever your door happens to be. Download DoorDash, the most restaurants across America. First order $0 delivery fee.
Breaking news. A nuclear attack is about to happen in an hour or so. It is recommended you leave this area or shelter in place. So, oh my god, I'm hearing the sirens. It means that an emergency action notification is going on. Because they said sirens would be played if an emergency action notification is happening. Get to a fallout shelter now. Shelter now. Leave.
An emergency action notification has been issued. Important instructions will follow.
Representatives will speak over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Nuclear bomb is about to drop in an hour. This is a representative speaking, as the president is in an undisclosed location to protect this representative of the president is asking everyone in the United States to go into a fallout shelter. The nuclear bomb dropped by North Korea will be dropped in Des Moines, Iowa. It will completely wipe out the states. Please stay in the fallout shelter until an all-clear message is given. An all-clear message will be an emergency action statement, a national information center, or an emergency action termination. It is recommended to go into a fallout shelter. If your house does not have a fallout shelter, call the National Guard at 630-228-2898. Go into a fallout shelter. The National Guard will come and get you from your home and you to their shelters underground. They will supply with food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a first aid kit. Also with radios. If you have to evacuate for some reason, wear a gas mask. That will help save your life. Fifth, our country will not be divided by bombs. And this nuclear bomb will block out the sun and make a nuclear winter. This nuclear winter will last for 2 years, and then it will become hot, and then it will go back to normal. The hot period will span for around 2 to 5 years. Winter will span around 2 to 8 years. And all clear will be given when it's safe to leave your shelter. Our country is not divided. But I would recommend you leave this area now, or go into a fallout shelter. It will maximizes your chances of survival. If you are close to Canada, Canada may be obliterated, and also parts of Mexico. Alaska and Hawaii are the only safe states. All the continental United States will be killed due to radiation spreading or be killed by the extreme heat or radiation. They're close to Iowa. This is an urgent message of protect life. Our nation will not be divided. We are a nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I have nothing to say at this time besides all of that, but we are a nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will not be divided in any means, including nuclear war. If our country is divided, we will reunite together. This is what I have to say at this time.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable stations must transmit this emergency action notification message. If you are not in the Akron metropolitan area, tune to your local radio station to receive information. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems must transmit this emergency action notification message. If you are not in the Akron metropolitan area, tune to your local radio station to receive information.
Contagious disease found in Marion County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. A new disease, CR4-24, has been found. The bomb that dropped in Indianapolis has brought CR4-24. If you have the following symptoms that are not limited to diarrhea, coughing, bleeding, vomiting, and scars, you should visit a hospital. To stop this disease, schools and works will be closed. Stores will be open to obtain mobile orders. If you are buying stuff at the store, you should wear a mask. To repeat, contagious disease found in Marion County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. A new disease, CR4 to 24, has been found.
Did you see that? Yes!
Are you kidding me? Now I gotta go watch this!
Not now, it's the Super Bowl.
Not now? Well, then when? Ugh!
Oh, you know when you should do that? Later.
Oh, later.
Yeah.
Well, when is later? Like after the game, or is that too late? During the ad?
The civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas: Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, at 8:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time on March 12, 2023, effective until 11:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 11:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time based on your area. Message from IPOSCAP. A new disease, CR424, has spread rapidly around the Midwestern United States. The symptoms are but not limited to diarrhea, scars, vomiting, bleeding, coughing, and tiredness. Go to the emergency room immediately. CR424 can cause death when left untreated. Already 100,000 people have died from this virus. You should also wear a mask due to the nuclear explosion happening in Des Moines and Ankeny, Iowa, and also to protect you from catching the disease. Take action to protect life now.
The ads?
Later.
During the Pepsi halftime show? I know! What if I spend my entire life waiting for later? Or what if later never comes?
Charlie, relax. Super Bowl now, laundry later.
It's setting in!
Let's go to a place where everything is made of blocks, where the only limit is your imagination. Let's go wherever you want to go. Climb the tallest mountains. Venture down to the darkest caves. Build anything you want. Day or night, rain or shine. Because this is the most significant sandbox you'll ever set foot in. Build a majestic castle. Invent a new machine, or take a ride on a roller coaster. Play with friends. Build your own little community. Protect yourself with the strongest armor that you can craft. And fight off the dangers of the night. No one can tell you what you can or cannot do. With no rules to follow. This adventure, it's up to you.
Rated M for mature. Forget everything you know about mobile games. And get ready to raid. Explore, collect, and fight. Choose your champions. Defeat terrifying bosses. Win glory in PvP battles. Raid Shadow Legends. Play for free now.
The sandwich is back. For those who haven't tasted that crispy chicken on toasted brioche, it's like...
This is an emergency action termination. An emergency action termination means that a national emergency is done. There is no nuclear radiation at the site dropped, and the area where the nuclear bomb is dropped is deemed safe to go. You can go back to your houses, but if you were in Iowa and surrounding states, your homes may be obliterated. Normal programming can resume at this time. We're a nation under God. Thank you for cooperating with the emergency alert system.